What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in my live stream today, I like to go through the biggest news. Most of the time, I'll go through what's happening in the news today, what's the biggest news based on AI, and I love AI now because they honestly break everything down into different articles and really summarize a lot of things. And as I went through it, at the very end, it talked about a certain thing that I thought was super interesting. It involved OKX and OKB, the token that's involved with OKX, and what they decided to do with that. Now, with any token coin or with any exchange coin, I generally see some major success that's within it as long as you can see a use for it rather than just being a token to support the exchange, because there are ones out there that literally are just a token to be a token and not necessarily doing anything for anyone at any time. So that's definitely a little bit of a tricky situation, but you still do see the success as long as the exchange is going to have success as well. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel for Twitter, for Patreon. And if you guys are interested, let's say you live in the US, which majority of the people that watch my videos are from the US or UK, then you would struggle finding the ability to purchase or hold OKB. If you want the ability to do that, you can do that over on BTCC, which is a great platform that you can trade a bunch of different cryptocurrencies, but you can also leverage trade up to 500x leverage. Now, I don't recommend that, but you can leverage trade up to it. You can do from 2x leverage to 500x leverage on a bunch of positions. But if you specifically use my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus, extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can have 40% lower trading fees. So feel free to check out my link down below if you guys are interested. And I don't think you'll be disappointed. I've been using it for a year and I've been profitable. I've been able to send money back and forth, and it's easy to send money back and forth. It's not 1 day withdrawal. It's literally where you send the withdrawal, it goes through pending, and it happens within maybe minutes or hours, right? So you're not worrying about having to wait for a withdrawal the next day or anything like that. Like, you have the ability to do everything that you would do with an exchange, any other exchange, because this is it's going to be, and it's looking like it's cementing itself as a major exchange. So feel free to check it out. Link is down below at the top of the description. Now, as I was going through the biggest news, right? So I go through biggest news in cryptocurrency. They talk about the regulation or regulatory landscape. You go into market movements. You go into other event security incidents and everything there. And all the way down at the bottom, other developments. This was something that really caught my attention because I didn't see anything else of this on any other news breakdown. But somehow Google sent it my way, right? Gemini sent it my way. OKB Burn. Now, cryptocurrency or crypto exchange OKX permanently burned 279 million OKB tokens valued at $26 billion. When I saw this, I was like, wait, hold up. $26 billion? I don't think their token is even worth $26 billion. So what does that mean? That means that they burned tokens that were outside of what is actually out there. And when I saw that, for some reason, I thought it was only 27 or 28 or something like that million. So when I went over here and I looked at OKB, I was like, all right, well, 28 million, right? They still have a ton in their max supply that's there, but you're looking at 21 million coins in the circulating supply. So I was like, okay, then you still have a lot that's going to be released. But then I went back to it and saw 279 million, meaning that you have 21 million that's left. So there's only 21 million out there in their total supply, and it's worth about $2 billion. This really, really caught my attention because for a fact that I love burns. Seeing a major exchange burn off that much tokens or that many tokens means that now it puts them in a place to where they only have about what Bitcoin has or what Ethereum has, right? You're looking at tens of millions of tokens max, not hundreds of millions of tokens max, like a Binance or anything else, right? 20 million tokens max on a major exchange. This means that if you see this at a $2 billion market cap, or a little bit above that, right? Let's say $2.1 billion, it's at a $100 price point. So a $21 billion level, $21 billion market cap level, you're looking at a $1,000 price point for this position. I felt as though it was an opportunity, right? If I can find the right platform to purchase on, that would be the opportunity for me. So to get into a little bit more detail, OKX burns 279 million OKB tokens to boost scarcity and value. A major development in cryptocurrency market has emerged as OKX, one of the largest global crypto exchanges, executed a record-breaking token burn of 279 million OKB tokens. According to reports, a Whale Alert, as well-regarded blockchain tracking service, these tokens were permanently removed from circulation by being sent to an inaccessible address. This event has sparked discussions among investors and analysts regarding its potential impact on OKB's token value and market dynamics. Token burns are a common mechanism for a blockchain ecosystem where tokens are irreversibly destroyed to reduce the total supply. This action is intended to increase scarcity, which can in turn drive up the demand and potential price of the remaining tokens. For OKX, this burn was a part of an ongoing strategy to manage OKB's tokenomics, a process that includes regular burns funded by a portion of the exchange's trading fees. Now, this is a big jump to say that, you have that much that's being burned off, and see that you have a process in burning off bits and pieces with their fees, to then saying, you know what, we're just burning off something that's worth $26 billion, right? Again, I looked at it and I was just like, I don't think OKB is worth that much, but it should be worth that much as we see altcoin season progress. So I was like, this is an opportunity. So I decided to look at any places to where I can purchase OKB, even though, it's at a high price and you've seen it up 92% in the last month. MEXC, Gate.io, a lot of places that I just don't have access to, at least at the moment, right? Some that I might have access to, but I haven't ever created an account for. But most that are not places to where I can have access to, right? MEXC and Gate.io being two of those. I believe I can buy on Bitmart, but it was too little too late there. So I was like, I need to find an opportunity now. If you don't know, for OKB, you can actually buy it over on BTCC. So if you guys are interested in purchasing OKB and you're like, I want to be a part of this, I want to leverage trade it, whatever, you can do that on BTCC. They allow you to 20x leverage, up to 20x leverage. I currently have a leverage trade in here for OKB. Now, if you don't know, again, the highest price that it got to, based on TradeView and based on BTCC, you can see here it got to $144.50. Now, since then, it has decreased all the way back down to about $92, $92.36. We are seeing a little bit of a negative day today. So seeing that OKB is down, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. I wasn't surprised as to why you're seeing it decrease. But from $144 down to $90 or $88 here, I thought was an opportunity. Yes, it can still go lower. It can still get down to, whatever, the 15 moving average, 200 moving average, the 200 EMA can get down to those points. We can also see it back down to some of these highs. This is where I thought the lowest point could possibly be. Now, as we get closer to that, I wanted to invest $1,000 into it. I invested about $500 because I wanted to make sure that if it is going to decrease, if we're going to see it decrease more, that I can have another opportunity to buy more lower, which is another 1,000 or even another, another 500 or something like that, right? But that's really my plan. I'm currently down about 11 or 12%, but I think this could be something that is massive. That can be worth so much more. That can be your next huge play because of what OKX is and how big that exchange is, but then also seeing the token that's involved with it. Now, one thing that I do have to dive into is, future use and current use of OKB, but it was kind of a quick decision, honestly, and I think you guys can take a little bit more time to research what your plan is going to be if you're going to make that move into it. But I decided to make a move into it, $500 or about 600 as a 3x leverage. And as it does come down, I will most likely do more 3x leverages at the rate that I have, or the level that I have, which I have about 800 or close to $1,000 in my account right now. So we'll see how that plays out and what I can gain from that. But I honestly think OKB and OKX could be something that's very, very interesting that you might want to keep your eye on. Anyways, let me know what you think about this. Were you aware of this, or was this as hidden for you as it was for me? But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.